Nilight H49003 LED CANbus Decoder LED Headlight.
Nilight H49003 LED CANbus Decoder LED headlight bulb is a must-have product for anyone experiencing flickering or error messages with their LED headlights or LED fog lights. With its advanced technology and high-quality materials, this product effectively prevents these issues, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. One of the key features of this LED CANbus decoder is its sturdy construction. Made from durable aluminum, it guarantees long-lasting performance and excellent heat dissipation. This ensures that the LEDs stay cool even during prolonged use, maximizing their lifespan and preventing any potential damage. In terms of dimensions, this product measures approximately 8 x 1.9 x 1.4 inches. Its compact size allows for easy installation and compatibility with various vehicle models. Whether you have a car, truck, or SUV, the Nilight H49003 LED CANbus decoder is designed to fit seamlessly and provide optimal performance.